Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you a very favorite dish of mine. So it's a very simple dish consisting of 3 or 4 items and all of them are very tasty. So I'm gonna just integrate them and make a furthermore interesting and tasty dish. So here we go. So my dish is deep fried ice cream. Yeah, that's right, deep fried ice cream. And for that we need egg white, beaten egg white, vanilla essence, and people actually use cornflakes, but here I use crushed wafer roll. Yeah, you know the wafer roll. I just put them and crush them, so that's how they become very even more tastier. So that's it. There we go. And I have already put the ice cream in the chiller, so when we get it out it won't be melted. So okay, so I have beaten the egg some more. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of, I just put here in about 1-2 drop of vanilla essence, and I just beat them some more. And one thing, that's my egg white and the wafer all are chilled, because in this way I can easily preserve the coldness of ice cream and the ice cream won't melt it right away. So I just beat the egg some more, and now I'm gonna go and grab my ice cream. So as you can see, here is my ice cream that I already scooped out and divided into some smaller spheres. So now I'm just gonna go and grab them each, put them into the egg white, and toss them into wafer flakes. And now one by one I'm gonna do all of them and put them into the chiller. Okay viewers, so I have chilled the ice cream coated with wafer and egg for approximately 3.5 hours, and I have already heated up the oil. So now I'm going to just put the balls in the oil for about 5 to 6 seconds and then just put them out. So here we go. That's it, we have done. So